Meaning of first reading.
First reading.
First reading.
First reading.
First reading. First reading generally refers to the initial or preliminary reading of a document, such as a legislative bill. This reading is usually meant to introduce the bill and give members of the legislature a sense of its purpose and contents. It may also involve debate or discussion about the bill's potential impact or implications. However, no actual changes or amendments are made to the bill during the first reading, as this is merely an introductory stage. Ultimately, the result of the first reading is a better understanding of the bill's content and potential implications.